Hello friends, welcome to the fifth video of the playlist Data Science. Here is our topic, the model evaluation using Python. Here we talk about how what is the model evaluation and how it can perform using Python. So it's the topic which we are going to talk about: introduction to model evaluation, performing model evaluation using Python, understanding matrix or classification model, accounting for unequal error codes, handling weighted error codes in a Python. So it's the what first of all topic is the what is model evaluation. So model evaluation is also known as model where it is the process in which we check how the good the model is trained using some matrices that accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and ROC AUC. So accuracy is the proportion of the true predicted values. Precision is the ratio of the true positive values to the all predicted values. Recall is a proportion of true positive values to the all the actual positive values, and FN score is the harmonic mean of the precision and recall. So here is the performing model evaluation in Python. So it's for that we use the function present in the sklearn such as make classification, train test split, random forest classification, classification report, and ROC AUC score. For here we use the ROC AUC score for the performing model evaluation. Here we first of all create the decision tree using the random forest classification. So here our model is trained. So we predict the value of a y predict using the x test. So here we get the model. So here we check the classification ROC AUC score and also create the classification report. So here is the output. So we can check that accuracy as is of 0.8289. So it's the good uh, accuracy. So we can also check the precision, recall, and FN score of the CAS 0 and a 1. So it's a good score. So we can say that this model is trained well. So here the ROC use score is the 0.94758698, which is also a good number. So we can say that good it's the good model. So accounting for unequal error cost. So accounting for unequal cost involves recognizing that the not all errors in the calculation model have the same impact of cost. In many in we can have an example and how can we account for unequal error cost. So for example, in a medical field, when we diagnose the wrong illness, we can have a than more impact than we don't diagnose. So it's for the it's that the how can we unequal error cost happens. So here is the way in which we create the how error cost here. So here we use the confusion matrix for getting the error cost. Here we get the uh, we create in a model. Here y predict is the predicted y value, and we get the weighted error cost y test and x predict. So here we get the values of a true negative, true positive, false positive, and a false negative. So with that help, we create a cost of a false positive and a false negative to the 2 and a 3 respective. So here we get so here we can get the FP and TP is we get from confusion matrix. So here we return the total cost from the total cost, which will be result into the model will be the 143. So it's so that we can get the error cost. So here is the one more way in which we can get the weights of the model using the cast weight, which can be used when we create the model. Here we use that model. For example, when we create a random forest classifier, we said that the chaos modifier that for a true negative, for a false negative we get 1 and a false positive we get 5 as a cost of error. So here when we predict that the what will be the error, so we get that. So here we get the precision of a 0.84 and we call F1 score. So in that report we get the weighted weight of how we get how it can happen when we get the cash weight for the following. If we saw this classification report before in the example, so we said that the classification report is changed much due to the weight we define. Because the before the all the error cost is the same is equals to the 1, but here we change the value of one of them to the 5, so its precision has changed. So for that it's a difference in the classification report of before example and now. So it's for how can we evaluate the model. Thank you very much for listening. Have a nice day.